me what illusion you've come up with for us. One of those romantic boy meets girl, boy loses girl stories.
It's better than music.
Got a service here for the computer. This guy's not even here. It's like 1 p.m. right now.
What? I just finished beating my meat.
All right, this guy bought the box.
Oh, you can't show that. You can be exposed. You're doing like it's thick.
Oof. Is it the Ryzen 2700?
Bro, is it, I'll tell you fucking facts right now. It's an X.
Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the everyday apps I use on my computer and with my old CPU, see what are the loading times and all of that. And when I install that, I'm gonna compare to see if it makes a huge difference, which I'm praying to God it should. Bro, I hope my computer can fucking run Roblox. Alrighty, it's gonna take longer than this. I promise. Alright, so basically, I mean, when I actually play these games, like when I play Pavlov, it gets really choppy because of the CPU. And so we're gonna actually time, like what are the loading times? And how long does it take until it starts bugging out and lagging?
Wow, he looks so cool, dude.
Be like, what, yeah. Look how you looking, I see you.
Gorilla warfare.
It's like when I got my hands on, boy. You see this, boy? That's your roulette, bro.
All right, let's go.
Alright, so one for you, one for me. One for you, one for me. One for you,
Oh!
one for you.
All right, boys, I'm leaving.
I think I'm dead.
No, you are.
Minecraft is so realistic. Minecraft is so realistic.
You can see, froze. Is it just burning? Look at idiot.
So right here, there's all the data on it. So, you know, it's like, bro. Ryzen 7 2700X.
Only have one try.
See, now you win the fucking first. I gotta connect it right here. Moment of truth. Okay. You gotta firmly grasp it. Where the screws at, bro?
Wait, what?
The screws.
What are you talking about, dude?
Where the... Bro, the screw... The screws, bro! Where the screws at?
Dude, you can't install it? What?
Moment of truth.
Woo! Water on?
Look at that thing right there. Yo, that looks sick. So we finally finished upgrading my old CPU. Put my old CPU in here. It's gonna be sent to a good place. Something wrong?
It's working. It's working.
Dude, it's actually working. You're hype? Holy shit.
Wait, is that clicking it? noticed it, and moment of truth. Okay, is the CPU like restarted or something?
Woo! Woo! 6 cores.
No. You fucking jealous? How many did your cores have?
Like, they don't have 6, bro? Like, you serious? So you can finally play Minecraft at 10 frames. Let's go. Yo, I gotta go, bro. Alright, dude. Peace out.
Ain't even. Okay, so turns out the 16 thread.
Alright, this is part 2 right here. Joseph's PC is not ready to go yet. We have to fix it. Gotta play some toothpaste on it and it should be good. Alright, we got the paste right here. It's just tiny, but it should do the work.
Fucking interrupted my beauty sleep.
You can see it's
Gamer time.
14 p.m. Yep.
It's gamer time.
Set up the CPU. Beautiful. Look at that shine. Wow. It's like you just got it right now. It's like you never put paste on it, dude.
Butterful. And this, you have to clean up a little bit, because you know, yeah. Butterful.
Nice. Alright, now here comes the artist.
Double compound MX4 Arctic.
Grain of rice.
Imagine like being constipated. Wow. You made this, bro?
No,
You did
not-
this? What is it?
Watch. There we go. Where the screws,
bro.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Alright, you know what?
That's the end of my PC. This is day 2 of fucking fixing the CPU, which is now working now. We had to upgrade the fucking BIOS. We had to fucking unplug everything like 10 times. We had to buy a flash drive. We had to buy food. And we made it. We made it. I'm his biggest fan. Get it? Biggest fan.
Alright, I'm just gonna cut that off. Alright, we got post. Yes, we do.
That's cool.
Alright, this is Joseph's reaction right here to his new PC.
New CPU.
Oh.
Stupid ass. Let's see. He's supposed. Okay, so there's an even more difficult procedure than the CPU, and it's swapping halves from a chopped cheese and a pastrami with everything, both on a hero. You gotta be careful. Damn, I wish I had gloves. For,
Wait, did you use the bathroom like right now?
I don't know, man. Let's grab one half. This is the pastrami with everything. Place it right here.
Just getting intense.
Rag. Whew. Chopped cheese. They're ready. Wait. What's the complimentary? Cherry Sprite. Not Sprite Cranberry for all you fucking memers. And of course, the little snacky snack.
Alright, taste test right here.
Bro, this chopped cheese, it really got me like this, bro. See that? Get a close up on that.
Are you okay? Oh my god. This man's dead.